Now, how do I break down what's here in this measure, these notes? How do I break it down and make my own little practice etude to be able to achieve all three things at once? Okay, so what I'm about to show you here on the screen, let's get it up, is how I break down all difficult, all challenging, shifts, big ones like this, all right, where you're going a minor seventh or an octave or whatever it is to take these notes, all right, and practice these notes, okay? Half notes is what I want. And maybe I even put half notes here. I love 80 for the tempo. Maybe somebody will leave me a comment. Maybe there is an actual neuroscientist, because I am not a neuroscientist. Maybe there is one watching. You can tell me why I love 80 for this, okay? By the way, I think bowing is really important to this little practice etude that you're going to create here for practice. So in the piece, I'm going down on the D, up on the C natural. So let's make sure as we're moving our hand that we're moving it on a down bow, and I'm going to tell you why in a second. So here's how this looks. It starts up bow, and I'm going to go... Repeat. And also when I go that slow, I'm really testing my ears. Do I really have that C natural really solidified and internalized? Remember, you're teaching your hand to leave early, all right? When I say leave early, I mean as soon as this down bow starts, this hand is traveling up to the C. I'm leaving as soon as I'm able to leave. All right, so by doing it this way, I'm sliding over the course of that entire half note. All right, so watch on the screen. Up bow. As soon as that half note starts, and then when I get to that C half note, I change bows, right? Because that's what's going to happen in the music. Do it again. And then do it going back. And the reason for the slide is so that my ear can hear when it's gotten to the right note. And I can take the slide out later. I don't have to slide, or maybe I want to leave it in for artistic reasons, right? Usually you don't want to slide that much. And if you put all these components together, as I just did almost, you can come up with a great definition of a shift. One smooth rhythmical motion that stops on the right note. Let's say that again. One smooth rhythmical motion that stops on the correct note. Okay, get my metronome back on. Over and over and over again until it is comfortable.